And here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and we have our 2006 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. This bike is super clean. Only 1,500 miles on it. It's barely been used. It's got a gorgeous metal flake gold yellow paint job. Everything about it is in excellent, pristine condition. It's never been tipped over, never been down. It's a one-owner bike. It was owned by a couple. They actually traded in the two ZX-10Rs at the same time. They both had only about 1,500 miles. It's got a Two Brothers exhaust system and a fender eliminator kit to clean up the rear. Really, really nice bike. Super clean, low mileage. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we're going to do it. I'm going to fire it up for you so you can see how it sounds. Be right there, just a minute. We got financing, we've got maintenance contracts, extended warranties, and insurance. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we're going to do it. Thank you.